Okay, so we'll start off with today's topic. In the last class, I discussed the conversion process from binary to decimal, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we will do the reverse today. That is decimal to binary. Okay. So let's start. Okay. Today's discussion is, yes, last class we did binary to decimal. Okay, last class. Today we are going to do decimal to binary. Okay. Now in the decimal to binary, first of all, I need a binary number system. So let us consider an example. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So let us consider this as a binary number. Okay. And we have to change the number system into decimal number system.
Decimal.
Okay. So how it is to be done? We will separate this number individually. 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1. Okay. Rule number 1, you can note down in your copy also. Rule number 1, okay, right value has lowest power, and rule number 2, left value has highest power. Everyone please note it down. These are the two rules. Okay. Right hand value has a lowest power and the left hand has a lowest power. So what is the power of this value? It is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Less of talking, more of listening. Okay. So right value has the lowest power. What is the power? Power is 0. And the left has the highest power, that is power is 4. Okay. So we will number this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now step number 2. Okay. Step number 2. This was step 1. Now in the step number 2, what we are going to do? Okay. We will multiply these values with the power of base number 2. Okay. How? This one, 1 into 2 to the power 0. Okay, this one. Okay. Next, this particular one, 1 into 2 to the power 1. Then this one, 0 into 2 to the power 2. Then this part, 1 into 2 to the power 3. And lastly, this one, 1 into 2 to the power 4. Okay, this is the next step. So 1 into 2 to the power 0, because the power value is 0. Then you have 1 into 2 to the power 1, because this 1 value's power is 1. Then this 0's power is 2. So 0 into 2 to the power 2. Then you have 1 into 2 to the power 3, because this one's power value is 3. So 1 into 2 to the power 3, and then 1 into 2 to the power 4. Okay. After you write this, we will perform the calculation. We'll perform the calculation. Okay. Okay, we have a question, two questions. I cannot hear you properly. You please watch the video. You will get to listen because my recording is happening. Not to worry. Okay, now I'll rub this step. Okay, so equal to, equal to, equal to, and equal to. Okay. First formula, always remember x. Okay, x to the power 0. X can be any number. X can be any number. X to the power 0 is always 1. Okay, I repeat, x to the power anything is 1. So 2 to the power 0 is 1. So 1 into 1. Okay, next step, 1 into 2 to the power 1. Okay, so 2 to the power 1 is 2. 1 into 2. Then 0 into 2 square. 2 square is 2 into 2. 2 square means 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. So 4. 1 into 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 8. Okay, sorry, not properly, which is equal to 8. Okay, not this part. Okay, so 1 into 2 cube is 8. Then 1 into 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means 2 will be multiple 4 times. So this becomes 16. Okay, what is the result? 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 4 into 0 is? 4 into 0 is? Anyone? 4 into 0?
0.
Okay, 0.
0.
Okay. Then 1 into 8 is 8. And 16 into 1 is 16. Okay. Now, once you get all this result, you will add up. Add. So 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 2, 26. 26 plus 1, 27. Okay. So what was our question? Our question was, we had a binary number 1 1 0 1 1 in binary number. What is the number in decimal format? This is the decimal value, that is 27. So if 27 is written in a decimal number in the binary format, you will write 27 in this form, 1 1 0 1 1. If you have copied it down, then I will move to the next example. This is called binary to decimal. Binary to decimal. Last class we did decimal to binary. Now decimal to binary, if you remember, we divided the number by 2. But this time we are multiplying with power of 2. This is the difference. Okay. Now I'll just clean this screen and I will write a new example. Okay. I am dividing the board into 2 halves. Okay. First I am taking a number. Let's say 1 0 1 1. Okay, I'll divide this number. I will convert this number into decimal format. Okay, I'll convert this number into decimal format. Okay, so step number one, how to do? 1 0 1 and 1. Then I will write the power 0 1 2 and 3. Okay, this is step number one. Step number two, I'll multiply the value with the power of this. That is, the first one is 1 into 2 to the power 3. Okay, then you have 0 into 2 to the power 2. Then after this you have this part, that is 1 into 2 to the power 1, and finally you have this part, that is 1 into 2 to the power 0. Okay. Now we will calculate this. 2 to the power 3 is 8, so 1 into 8, 1 into 8, which is equal to 8. Okay, next step, 2 square is 4, so 0 into 4, 0 into 4 is equal to 0. Then you have 1 into 2, 2 to the power 1 is 2, so 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Then you have 2 to the power 0 is 1, so 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Now we will add up. So 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Okay, 11 becomes the decimal number of this binary value. Now if I see if my answer is correct, okay, that means if I reverse this number, then I will get this particular number. So right now I am having, this was binary to decimal. This was binary to decimal. Now this time I am doing decimal to binary. So just to see if my answer is correct, this 11 I have taken as a decimal number. Okay, so in decimal to binary, what is the process? If you remember, firstly divide the number 11 by 2. 2 5s are 10, remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. Then 2 zeros are 0, remainder is 1. So now if I arrange the number from down to up, what did I get? 1 0 1 and 1. Didn't I get the original number?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Didn't I get the original
Yes.
number? So that
Sir, we
means,
got the original number.
so this is what you have to remember. This is binary to decimal and this is decimal to binary. How you will do? In the binary to decimal, remember very carefully, you have to write the powers of the value and then you will multiply with the power, with the base value of 2 with the powers. Okay, then what you will do after you get the result, you will add up. Sorry, I am missing the addition sign here. So 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 8 equal to 11. The same number, if I convert from decimal to binary, what am I getting? See, I will get the original number 1011. So shall we try with another example? This time we will take a little bit bigger example. Okay, we'll draw a margin like this. Okay, we will take a binary value and we'll convert into decimal. We'll convert it to decimal. and then for checking we will see decimal to binary. We'll perform both the question. Now it is 1 1 1 0 1. This is my binary number. So do it by yourself. Everyone, do it by yourself rather than waiting for me to do. I want to get the answer before I complete.
I don't see
Sir,
the
I also don't
question.
see the board.
Now can you see?
No, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Your internet is slow. Write the question 11101. 11101.
Yes, sir.
Now
So can you
convert
please repeat the
11101. One 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 zero one. Convert into the decimal form. After you get the decimal number, you will do decimal to binary with the answer of the first question. Let me see how fast you can do. Hurry up.
— 29.
Now convert 29 into decimal. Sorry, 29 into binary. Those who have got answer 29, it is correct answer. But now convert 29 into binary. Do the reverse process. Fast.
11101. One 1101.
The answer is 1 1 1
1110.
11101.
Yes, sir.
11101. That means the original number on the screen, as you can see. So this is your binary to decimal and decimal to binary. Okay. Now, what we will do? We will move on to the next topic. This is called decimal to octal. This is called decimal to octal. Okay, how? One example. Let us take any decimal number. Is 96 a decimal number? Can anyone reply? Is 96 is the decimal number?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
96 is a decimal number. Okay. Now what we will do? We will convert into octal. How? See this step. 96, write like this. Now instead of 2, we will write 8. Okay. 12, 8 ja 96. Remainder is 0. Again divide the number by 8. 8 1 ja 8. Remainder is 4. 8 0 ja 0. Remainder is 1. So if 96 we have to write in the form of octal form, the same pattern from down to up, we will arrange the number. It becomes 1 4 0 with the base number 8. See this step properly. 96 in the decimal number, and then you have 140 as the octal number. This time we are not dividing by 2, we are dividing by 8. Okay, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just hold on a second. Just hold on a second, I will continue. Okay, so now moving on to the next question on your screen. Okay, this time also we will perform decimal to octal. Okay, so write the question. This is 72 in the decimal number, convert into octal. Okay, do it. The same step, only instead of 2 we will divide by 8. (72) 8 9 ja 72, remainder 0. 8 1 ja 8, remainder 1. 8 0 ja 0, remainder 1. Okay, we have a
So
question.
one more.
Let me see what is the question that we have. So if we arrange the number, it becomes 1 1 0. Okay, okay, so we will try some other question also with a bigger number. Right, 256. 56. Let me see, convert into decimal. Sorry, convert into octal. So you have 256. Okay. Those who have got 110 is the correct answer. Now we'll divide this. 3 8s are 24. 1 come. You can do the rough division. 256. Just like you are seeing here. 256 divided by 8. 3 8s are 24. Okay. So you get 1 as a reminder. 6 comes down. So 8 2s are 16. Remainder is 0. So this becomes 32 and remainder becomes 0. Then you have 8 4s are 32. So again remainder is 0. And then you have 8 zeros are 0. And the remainder is 4. So now if you arrange, the equivalent answer for this becomes 4 0 0. Write the base number also 8. 400. Yes, is the correct answer. It is the correct answer. Okay, so now you understood this part. How to convert decimal to octal. Decimal to octal. Okay, now what we will do? We will do the reverse process. This is the last topic of today. Okay, now we will do octal to decimal. Okay, octal to decimal. Just like you have done binary to decimal, the process is same, only the number will different. Last question of the day. So let's say we have octal number, say which one? 256. 256. Acha, not 256. We'll take it. We take it 400. Okay, 400 is the number. Okay, so how will you do? Divide the number 4, 0, and 0. Write the power 0, 1, and 2. Then what you have to do? You have to do the multiplication with base number 8. 4 into 8 square. 4, sorry. Then you have 0 into 8 to the power 1. Then you have 0 into 8 to the power 0. Okay. So 8 square is 64. So 4 into 64. Then 8 to the power 1 is 1 into 0. Then 8 to the power 0 is 1. So again 0 into 1. This is 8. Okay. So how much you get? 256. This becomes 0. This becomes 0. Add up, you will get 256. So this 256 becomes decimal number. Decimal number. That means this was an octal number, and this is what you call octal to decimal conversion. This is what you call octal to decimal conversion. Clear? Let me see how many of you have got the answer.
Yes,
Post your answer in the Zoom app. Post your answer in the Zoom app. Let me see how many of